Every product has a lifespan and nothing lasts forever. Eventually, your hanging hardware will wear out.
After years of being exposed to weather, oxidation, cleaning agents, petroleum additives, and everyday use by customers, how do you know when to replace an old piece of equipment before it stops functioning as designed and becomes a potential hazard?
Husky labels all of their products with information that tells you what date it should be replaced after. And this video is going to show you where to find that information on Husky nozzles, swivels, breakaways, and pressure vacuum vents. This is an example of a data tag that we include on a nozzle. Husky recommends that the products be removed from service immediately after the month and year that's printed on that tag. To find the data tag on a nozzle, pull back the guard on the left side and the data tag will be riveted to the nozzle. On swivels, we laser mark the information on the casting. Keep in mind that the remove after dates on different sizes or types of swivels may be marked in different locations. On breakaways, we laser mark the information on the upper half. You might have to pull down a plastic guard to find it. On pressure vacuum vents, the tag is riveted to the top of the PV vents casting. The remove after dates have always been a voluntary recommendation from the fueling equipment manufacturers. Husky is not the only manufacturer to recommend a 5-year remove after date for its products. Many respected fueling equipment manufacturers have looked at their own product life cycle data and concluded that the lifespan of fueling equipment is 5 years from the date of manufacture. Like Husky, these manufacturers also include a label on their products to indicate the age. The 5-year product lifespan is an indispensable tool to help prevent catastrophic events at the pump. Husky's remove after date is a final catch-all for wear and corrosion that cannot be identified visually. Now that you know where to find them, a quick look at the remove after dates on the fueling equipment will be fast and easy.